Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to start page numbers 1 from page 3 in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to add page number, start at 1 from page 3. Firstly, go to the window menu, enable the pages section. Then we can see here, show the all page at once. Now I am go to the third page, double click on the third page, select the frame text tool and draw a text frame top on the page. You can add this text box left side or right side or middle side. Now I am select right side, left side, go to the text option, select the insert, then go to field and select page number, then choose the page number and write one, then select the move tool and go back again the window menu, enable the layer option and lock the layer. Now we can see we start page number 1 at page 3 very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.